Guys, today we have something from Migros, but this is not distributed by Migros, but you can find this kind of agar agar in the Migros store. This is quite cheap. If you are going to get an agar agar, this is good for you. And one pack is containing 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think this will be enough for you if you are going to cook. And this is vegan, so good if you are in vegan concern. And yeah, this is part of the Migros store is Migros zip, and this is quite fast if you are going to cook. And so one sachet, this is for half liter of the liquid. It can be juice or fluid, it can be milk, it can be a pure water or anything. Yeah, and to cook this only need 1 or 2 minutes. Mix in quite hot condition, so it will be mixed better. I hope that's a quick review, and also you can find that who is the distributor. This is distributed by Migros, and this is the expiration date for this product. And yeah, this is quite cheap. For only half of Swiss franc you can have half of liter of agar agar. Alright guys, I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this, please keep your like and subscribe this channel. If you have questions, give a comment. See you and have a good day. Have a nice day. See you later.